In this video, I'm going to show you how to bet on DraftKings Soccer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install the DraftKings app like you normally would. And the main important thing is you need to make sure you are signed up to a DraftKings account. Now, in order to sign up, you're going to need to provide some information about yourself, including your full legal name, address, zip code, and the last four digits of your social security number. That is the piece of the information that is required in order to create a DraftKings account. Alright, so once you went ahead and created an account, the next order of business is to begin depositing funds. To do that, what you're able to do is you're able to go to the top menu, press over here where it says deposit, then you guys are able to deposit funds onto DraftKings through multiple different avenues. You can do it through online banking, which will require you to sign into your bank. So let's say, for example, your bank is Bank of America. You're able to go ahead and select on it, and you're going to need to go ahead and actually sign into your Bank of America account. Or what you could also do is you could also use your debit card as well and input like your card number, your CVV, and you will also need to go ahead and you guys also have the option to do it via PayPal, Venmo, etc. Either one of those will get the job done, and that is going to allow you to actually deposit funds onto DraftKings. Now, in order to actually begin trading on soccer or the World Cup in particular, is you actually want to go to the top menu over here, and at the moment it is currently like being promoted heavily, so you should be able to see like a World Cup section. So you're able to go ahead and actually begin placing trades on it. For example, today we got Switzerland and Canada, we got Bosnia, Qatar, Scotland, Brazil, and lastly we got Czech Republic and Mexico, which I'm really excited about. I hope Mexico wins. But yeah, what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and actually begin placing your bets over here. And of course, throughout this entire process, you want to make sure that you do it responsibly. Make sure that this doesn't become like an addiction or something that you can't control. At the end of the day, it's all about control. And the main important thing is you really want to be responsible. This video is not financial advice or anything like that. I am merely just showing you how to use the app itself. But this is where you're able to go ahead and begin placing all your bets and stuff like that. You can go ahead and bet on certain things over here, and then afterwards you should be good to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.